Only Pataka make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, with Vybz Kartel's latest track, World Government, viewers and subscribers, dominating social media, viewers and subscribers, and with the lyrical content of this track, viewers and subscribers, the teacher said the people want world government. Nothing else makes sense, viewers and subscribers. And with 2020 being the start of an election year right here upon the island, viewers and subscribers, we know both parties are definitely on the campaign trail, viewers and subscribers. We see a popular magazine from overseas, the Fader. I said the teacher's latest track sound like him a go run for office, viewers and subscribers, and with the appeal results being weighted on the international tabloids, I said them a look forward to see what the atmosphere will be like here on the island, viewers and subscribers. Most people I wonder what we're going to hear from the honorable Brogard Andrew Holness, viewers and subscribers, in this day and age. Social media is definitely a platform used on any political campaign too. We see Trump tweet regularly. We see even Andrew Holness tweeting a bit more regularly since becoming the Prime Minister, viewers and subscribers. Everybody I wonder are a wait upon the response. Now at this moment in time, we don't hear nothing from the minister, and that might be strategic, as we say both parties are on a campaign trail, and we know Mr. Holness use the teacher song them for him campaign trail regularly. Yeah, remember we see him show out and I say Clarks him thing there too. Yeah, we see him out there say Clarks him thing there, viewers and subscribers. No doubt him know the track.
Is that Kartel has, particularly since 2008 or so, represented a very important force, not just in the culture, in the music, but in the culture. And there we are trying to understand of fans locally, regionally, and internationally, because Kartel is very popular in Europe, very popular in Africa, very popular all over the world.
Subscribers, the teacher definitely have put theme point of view forward. I show you say yes, this is how him would have deal with it, and no doubt people wonder. As a matter of fact, me hear somebody ask me recently in the comment section, what are the qualifications for the teacher should he choose for run for office? Viewers and subscribers, other than political science, there is no other requirement for running for office, viewers and subscribers. And there are people in office who don't have a political science degree, viewers and subscribers. They never go to school feet. And they are in office, whether locally or internationally. Right now, Trump responds for America. Trump no study politics. And there have been other leaders before him. So viewers and subscribers, if the teacher should choose to run for office, there's no doubt in my mind saying would I win. But I did not say the teacher said that. He might put forward, viewers and subscribers, how him would have handled the situation if in office. And as with the reaction to the track is almost like the streets, I think of it. It's almost like the streets, I wonder, viewers and subscribers, what it would be like now for true if the teacher was the minister for the island, viewers and subscribers, at the set reach, you know. And no doubt the teacher know that, viewers and subscribers. Even Shabdan, while the tracker mix and master, him realize and no, you see that tracker, yo, you see that tracker, we have to drop it from the teacher strong. And Shabdan, big up my G. That strategy we use. Respect your feet, you know what I mean? And it was definitely teachers give the dance style, as the teacher say, you know what I mean? Gaza Nation give him the gift of making the song trending. Big up yourself, Adi. You know what I mean? A true visionary in our music. Yes, and no doubt, me not care some other people that say you couldn't run for office, or you couldn't win, or you couldn't run the country. Any intelligent individual with the mindset and the willpower for do it can do it. Who am I for limit an individual and say no, there is where you should be? You should only do that. Me, no. No, I'm not going to do that, viewers and subscribers. If the artist decides them to run for election, my support is there for him. My support is there for him. Yes, man, I go around with viewers and subscribers. Because not only as an artist, but as an individual, as an intellect, the teacher show me say, yo, him see it from a different point of view. And me, myself, my tie with the point of view when I see some other people have. So, you know what I mean? That within itself, that in a nutshell, as with them that say overseas, is my point of view on the whole situation there. Yeah, if the teacher decides I'm going to do it, I would support him. Now, viewers and subscribers, Andrew Holness, there has been no official, you know what I mean, statement from either the camp or the official office, viewers and subscribers of the Prime Minister. You know what I mean? Yeah, we don't hear him said nothing yet. Me, I wonder if you got hear the song used though on the campaign trail. We're not sure. We're not sure if you got hear the song used on the campaign trail. No doubt somebody is going to use it. You know what I mean? Them always point to the facts the teachers aligned to a certain party, but we don't know of that. All we know say a world government at Gaza. Yes, that's how we know. We know the teachers aligned to the Gaza, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Music and entertainment. But remember, this is the level of influence of the teacher. The level of influence of Vybz Kartel at this moment in time, viewers and subscribers. Must see why some people are saying maybe or what if. Must see why people have that in mind. Must see why that is being discussed here and being discussed there, viewers and subscribers. We are talking about it. We are bringing the reasoning to the viewers and subscribers. We know the people and I wonder where heads of government are say. You know what I mean? Right now, them are remain mum. Them are remain mum, viewers and subscribers. Them not to make no official statement because remember right now everybody has seek back re-election at them place. So you have to know what you say. Especially when you talk about the teacher, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? So I guess it is strategic and rather say nothing at this point in time till them can make a statement with them know. So when them say it will be beneficial to them and their campaign. You know what I mean? Because people already are called this track Vybz Kartel's campaign for office. You know what I mean? People already are considered it so deeply that it's almost like them hear official word upon that. There has been no official word from a teacher upon that, viewers and subscribers. This is just another dancehall classic. World government. Yo, the song start trend same day, same time, without reaching 1 million views. And then it reached 500,000 views in a couple of hours. Yeah, about 20 hours, viewers and subscribers. 500,000. Yo, they doubt the teacher. They are naysayers. People doubt the teacher. When them see the teacher release some tracks or do some things, they must say, yo, wait, the teacher gonna do that? It's always a pleasant surprise to see the teacher surprise them, viewers and subscribers. For me, myself, always a pleasant surprise. Because when that track drop, me hear some people that thought that they must say, hey man, talk a big, but it's not that big. Me I say, you know too. Like when they even listen to the song, when they realize what the teacher talk about, when they hear the subject matter. It's not always about the flow and the rhythm, viewers and subscribers. Warm to the words. And now the part they are singing. The words of the song have soaked into society, viewers and subscribers and people, everybody and them friend now. In high discussion, is the teacher running for election? Is Vybz Kartel going to be the next Prime Minister? I decided to reach with one song, you know, with just one song, and people are asking me what are the qualifications other than influence. You don't need nothing other than influence. Always remember that. If any party choose to back him right now and say, teacher, yes, we give you support, become the leader of this party and run for election, he will win. And influence alone. Me I telling you that I saw it go all the time. I saw it go all the time, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Remember majority rules. Is that they're not gonna hide the ballot box them or something, but majority rules. In anything. In anything. Remember, even when you choose the king of the genre, people have a vote on that. And it has been unanimous. So the teacher, the king. Even other people who did take up the crown and walk around with. People like Beanie. They have to stop and say, yeah man. Them are the king man, but you know, them have to add a butt to it. We don't want about a butt. We are keep the thing front. A forward we are go. We don't want about a butt. The teacher, the king, viewers and subscribers and an influencer alone. If he decide say, yo, campaign trail, he would win. No official word from heads of government, viewers and subscribers. But no now wait. No official word from heads of government, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section though. Let me know what your thoughts. How you feel about the track. When you hear the track, were you one of those fans who are taking the lyrical content out of context? You know what I mean? And are you know, after hearing the song again and again and hearing the lyrical content, even though considering what it would be like if the teacher was actually on the campaign trail and win. Talk to me in the comment section. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, viewers and subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reasoning and you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. The like icon there as well. So if you like we here, just drop a like on the vlog, viewers and subscribers. The share icon is also there as well. So you can tell a friend, for tell them sister and them brother them, for check out the channel and check out the reasoning. The comment section is always open 24/7. It never locked yet. Just be mindful of the guidelines, however. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. Yes, our move settings and we don't need a ladder fam. Quick recap. The whole world, I wonder what will be the reaction from heads of government to distract world government from the teacher, viewers and subscribers. Officially, no word yet. You know the sentiments. Sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper until the reason again, fam.